Printers. Hey, how you doing? It's Ryan at Texsource. I'm here today in our Georgia location shooting a few videos that you've requested us to do. We sent out an email a few months back and we've gathered up a list of videos for us. Today we're introducing to you guys the Matsui Alpha Color Series kit. This kit is a 14 color system that you can mix within each other to make any color from your PMS Pantone book. Each color has a formulation in it that you can mix your ink with. So you can make any color from the Pantone book using this kit. This also comes with a mixing white as well. So what's great about this is it's not only ready for use out of the bucket, but it's also great to be discharged. That's another thing. This Alpha series is different from the Infinity series, if you guys are familiar with it. The Infinity series kit is not dischargeable. Alpha Color is. So this whole kit comes with discharge agent, the 14 colors, a mixing white, and the retarder. Now you don't have to add this additive, but it's extra just in case you wanted to add a little bit more. These colors already come pre-mixed, so like I said, it's an RFU. It's ready for use out of the bucket. Another great thing is if you're printing on dark garments, all you have to do is add the discharge agent to the color and it automatically discharges the shirt. No need for an underbase. That's what makes it so great. Another great thing, it's great for light color garments because you don't have to add the additive. All you have to do is just print the color straight out of the bucket. So again, a new kit, a new ink by Matsui that Texsource offers. Got any questions, let us know. Subscribe to our YouTube or follow us on Facebook.